Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin versus the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, let's take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. Link can be found up here in the corner. So on Bitcoin, this move up is definitely looking very strong. That's looking like a trend, not a correction. It still may end up being part of a correction like a wave A, but I do not even think it's over. It's probably going to end up looking something like this, making some sort of an ABC correction, which will most likely be a correction to this whole move down. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, it's starting to look more like a trend, like this is a 1, like this is a 2, and it probably is just going to keep on going up and eventually making a wave 3, 4, and wave 5. Most likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A, just like what I was showing on the longer time frames. Eventually going down and making a B and probably back up to make a wave C. So I would expect that we still have quite a bit of upside potential left on this. So let's take a look at that down on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it definitely looks to me like this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a wave 1. This is most likely a correction, probably a wave 2. And the fact that it didn't respect this level and it keeps making higher lows tells me that this is probably all part of a wave 3, and it probably isn't even over yet. It's probably just going to keep on going up, probably a wave 3 of wave A. So let's keep that in mind and head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, it keeps making higher highs. Definitely still trending up. We have another ABC right there. It made a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, so it looks like we're in a pullback right now. At this point, I do believe we are probably in a wave 3, so that tells me on these sort of time frames, I'm definitely still looking for long entries for the continuation of the uptrend. I think it's now pretty confirmed that this move up is not a wave C and it's actually a wave 3. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, since the last end of a correction back here, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we do have a little bit of a break, maybe not quite yet, but it's getting very close. So it probably is going to end up making some sort of a correction to this move up. And based on the longer time frames, the trend is definitely up, so it's probably going to end up being an ABC correction. And most likely, once that correction is over, I bet we'll see another impulsive move up, another break of structure, and another continuation of the uptrend. Most likely, all still part of a big wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.